With the correct lighting for your content, it will be a lot easier to set the mood you want to achieve and portray. And this can help you in a lot of different situations, regardless if you're looking to make your video meetings appear more professional, or if you want to create a dramatic feeling for a photo or a video that you're shooting. Sometimes you come across occasions where natural light simply isn't enough, and then LED lighting is a good alternative. With more light, it will be easier for your camera to focus on a subject, and the result will be better since you avoid noise in the image that can occur in low light situations. Another reason for using LED lighting is that it's very energy efficient and they don't get as hot as traditional lights. At Scandinavian Photo, we have many different variants of LED lighting, and we have divided them into 5 categories. We got LED panels, LED lighting, LED lamps, ring lights, and LED tubes. We also have many accessories that you can supplement with to get the most out of your lighting. Our LED panels have adjustable brightness and temperature so that you, for example, can choose between cold or warm light, which makes it easier for you to create a certain mood or to match other light sources in the room. Because our LED panels are flat and don't take up much space, there are convenient solutions if you have a small space or if you sometimes need to take the panels and create content somewhere else. Some of our panels can also be powered by batteries, which means you don't need any cables, so they are flexible to use in many different situations. We also have bundles where stands, batteries, or barn doors are included with the LED panels. With our affordable bundles with LED lighting, stands and softboxes, you get a soft lighting for your content. The LED lighting in these bundles have fixed color temperature, which gives a higher effect than lighting with a variable color temperature. The bundles are available to buy with 1 or 2 lights and work very well when you need a bright light. Smaller LED lights can be handy when you, for example, want to brighten up a small part of the image, or when you want better light for streaming or having video meetings. In our category of LED lamps, you will find small and portable LED lamps that are easy to use. They have built-in rechargeable batteries and can be placed on flat surfaces or mounted on cameras or phone holders. In our assortment, we have LED lamps with white light, but also RGB lights so that you can adjust the colors. Just as the name reveals, the ring light is a circle of light. With a ring light, you can photograph or film through the lamp and get a nice light straight from the front. Our recommended ring lights include holders for your phone, so you can quickly and easily get started and start filming. LED tubes, or LED light tubes as they also are called, allow you to use regular or colored lights to create a nice effects and change the mood of your photo or video. In our assortment, you can buy both LED tubes separately or in bundles, and some of them can be connected and controlled with an app or remote control. To get the most out of your lighting, we have many suitable accessories you can use together with your lights. We have, for example, batteries or battery chargers, light and background stands, bags, sandbags, and other accessories for your light that you can supplement with. Now that you know a little bit more about our assortment of LED lighting and their uses, I hope it has become a little more easier for you to choose which product suits you and your needs. And if there is anything else you want to know about lighting, you are more than welcome to contact us at Scandinavian Photo.